Okay, my sweet summer children, today we are going to be focusing on heroes, and I'm going to demonstrate my own repeatable pattern based around one of my heroes. But which one? Let's find out. Diving right in to Miss Doll's. So I'm just gonna make a straight up list of heroes that I have from history, from literature, video games, movies. King Arthur, Sherlock Holmes, Joan of Arc is awesome. Link from Zelda, I'm obsessed. Harry Potter, and going off of that, Hermione and Remus Lupin because I have problems. Now I'm gonna cross off ones that I don't have enough images for, or I'm just not that interested in right now, and I'm gonna make a list of Harry Potter related things because I'm just gonna embrace the obsession that I have with this series. And this doesn't have to be the end of my list, but it is a good thing to have a list of things so I'm not in the middle of making my object and then I forget. So I have pencil, fine Sharpie, ultra fine Sharpie, scissors, tape, paper. Paper I'm going to fold in half twice, so I have 4 quarters and zones that I can really start to focus on and make sure that every section kind of has some energy. And now I am drawing in pencil a bunch of different things that are Harry Potter related. It can go over the folded lines. Actually, it's better if you do go over the folded lines. Now I'm going to cut down the middle and flip it on the back and make sure that the non-cut edge, the raw edge, is in the middle and tape it really nice and good. And now I want to draw all up in the middle. And I'm going to cut it again the short ways in the middle that I have not cut yet, and I'm going to flip those around. And again, I'm going to draw right in the middle. And I'm almost ready to start doing the Sharpie. Let me just add a couple more details. And I could also add more details with the Sharpie now that I have a bunch of stuff on here. And I have 2 different types of Sharpie. I have the thin ones and the ultra thin ones so that I can have different types of lines. So that's a little bit more interesting. Now when I'm finished drawing in Sharpie over all of my pencil lines, I'm going to run this through a photocopier. And the trick with that is most printers don't get the very, very, very edge of the paper. So I might have to go back a little bit when I'm putting it all together. Let's see how it goes. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. And now is the fun part. So as I put these together, they're starting to line up quite nicely. I have to hold it this way so that you can actually see. But you see what I'm talking about? Like the 3 got cut off, so I'll have to go back in and do that. But now I can tape all this up, and I have my own repeatable pattern. Ba-bam! I would say that maybe I should have done more things over the folds to really give it that connection. And I think I could add stuff to the background. Yeah. And that's all we got for today. And so as you can see, I have my Harry Potter themed like wallpaper kind of pattern. And just, I think I probably could have added a little bit more black to give that really strong contrast. Because right now it's looking a little bleh. So I might go back in and do that. But when you're working for the first time, keep that in mind. So good luck and have fun, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.